Hey, Zana here, and I'm going to do a review of Avast antivirus. Yes, I've already did one on Avast, but this time, well, I guess Avast upgraded their program while I wasn't looking. So instead of it being all clunky and not very user-friendly, they did just the opposite. They made it completely user-friendly. Now, let's start off with the basics. Now, what is Avast? Well, Avast is a free antivirus program that there's no need for any registration. The subscription never expires. It works. It's better than Microsoft Security Essentials because this is the number one program out there that doesn't pick up as often. This doesn't pick up many false positives. Although you can buy it if you want to for a better protection, just get the free version because it's all you'll need. Now, this does not sweep for spyware and other stuff like that. It does do malware, it does do viruses, but not spyware. So I suggest Spybot Search and Destroy. Alright, so I'm just going to go over the gist of this and what you can do with it. So, off the bat, when you double click it, you'll see current status. Everything will be secure, and it'll show an ad here for an upgrade for the better version of the program. And included in Avast is a gamer mode. If you've seen with WebRoot Spy Sweeper or maybe some other program, some of these have gamer modes, which basically means it won't notify you about anything. It won't disrupt you during gaming or anything else, unless it's a dire emergency. Statistics. This basically gives you the layout of what it's picked up and how it's been doing throughout the past week or month or so. Depends. Scan computer. Basically, you can choose from an array of different scan types. For example, say if you're going to be back in like 5 minutes, just do a quick scan. If you're going to be gone for a while and you want to sweep for viruses, do a full system scan. This will sweep every nook and cranny, anything you couldn't possibly think of. Removable scan. This does flash drives, memory card slots, removable hard drives, anything that can be that you put into your computer, like a DVD also. Folder. This is the one I usually use. Now, what this does is that you can choose a specific folder to scan. Say, well, the obvious one would be to scan C drive because that's the hard drive. And you can create custom scans. You can tell it where to scan, when to scan, how often to scan, and what to do with everything without your permission and stuff like that. I've created a scan where it scans my C drive on Sunday at 4:30 p.m. Now, this doesn't do normal time like Eastern, Central, or Mountain time. This does military time, so you're gonna have to know some math for this one. Boot time scan. This basically looks at all your stuff when you're booting up. Scan logs. This will tell you what it's picked up and where it's been scanning. Real-time shields. This basically monitors your mail, web, torrents, or peer-to-peer, instant messaging, your network, like your routers and stuff, and just general behavior. Maintenance. You have two options here. Either upgrade the engine and definitions, or just upgrade the whole program. This one is 5.0.462. And under settings, it's just your basic settings. You can set a password if you'd like. Tell it what to do for gaming mode, switch your languages, customize your sounds. Now, instead of that cheesy virus database has been updated Mac type of sounding sound, it's some chick this time, and it sounds pretty decent. Overall, I give Avast a 10 out of 10 because it's awesome, it's free, there's no registration, there's no subscription update, it works. And I'm not giving you any links because it's free, it's noticeable, so go Google search it, you bunch of noobs. Alright, and I'll see you guys later.